Here with the WX line strike guard sensor simulator. Device is powered with a 9-volt battery. It's a standard 9-volt that you can get. This is where you connect the fiber to the device that you're simulating. So for example, a lightning data receiver or strike view system running a strike view software. Simple power switch here, turn it on. This button selects the code that you want to send, and you click this one to send it. There's several codes that you can select to do individual messages down. Alarm is UA, warning is UW, caution UC. You have the UP is for pass, UF for fail. I do want to show you, and please look below for the complete details on all the codes, the storm simulator, which is useful in creating a whole random storm simulated right from this device. You select that, send the code, and it starts the simulation. Thank you very much.